This fantastic personalized line drawing family portrait makes over $13,000 per month, guys, and you can do exactly the same. Now, you can actually do something like this for any niche that you sell in, and I will explain this. I'm going to show you also the software to use to actually create something like this. But guys, if you're not doing anything custom or personalized in your Etsy store, then you are missing a big trick. One of the biggest things that Etsy is looking for right now and is actually pushing in terms of the Etsy algorithm is personalized listings, gift custom listings. And you need to get onto this because you are missing out on a lot of money. Now, check this out. Look, let me explain further. Now, whether it be personalized pet line drawing in terms of the wall art, right, which you can see here, and a lot of these do really, really well, whether it be the faceless ones, there's different types of images, or your photo to line drawing, customized portraits, which are also fantastic, which you can see right here as a bestseller. People love these because people love their photos, they love their pets, obviously they're as couples, or love their families, and they want to represent this in a really sort of really beautiful way. And line drawings are one of the best ways to do this. So you can see this in a lot of wall art, but it's not just wall art that you can see this. And like I said, a lot of these are bestsellers, and they're quite simple to do, very simple. And I will show you this with the software that I'm going to explain in a second. See, look at this. Here's another bestseller. Look at that, beautiful. And how they do it usually is they just say something like, send us your photo and the line drawing will be ready in 2 hours, or 2 days. 2 hours will be ready in 2 days. So it's one of the simplest things to do. And what you'll find with a lot of these is there are a lot of sales that are, look at this whole line, 27 sales, 53, 93, 8 sales. They do sell well. And obviously the better ones sell even, amazingly well. So they are really popular, and they will add another dimension to your store. And the thing is that you don't have to just sell wall art to do this. You can sell pretty much anything, You can say personalized pet drawing, and you can say mug. So if you sell mugs, then obviously people would actually love to have their personalized pet, or even portrait of the family on a mug, right? And these also do, and these also sell, right? And you can also see that you can do this on, you can sell these on personalized mugs, which you can see here, right? Via even print on demand, which is fantastic. So it doesn't have to be just wall art, as I said. So it can be pretty much any niche that you sell in. Even things like personalized blankets. I want to show you something else. Blanket. Coming down, you can see some of these personalized blankets, which look fantastic. And again, these are your line drawings as well. So, they can be sold on many products. And it's quite simple to do, actually, And like I said, I'm going to show you just a quick example of how to do this. Look at this. Here's a bestseller. Absolutely fantastic. This one. There's a bestseller. So really any sort of image. Here's another bestseller. So wall arts, mugs, tumblers. Think of jumpers, sweatshirts, t-shirts. Think about any product that you sell, and try to create something, listings, custom listings, personalized listings, where a buyer can send their photo, which is very simple. They'll just send you their photo, a photo of their pet or the couple or the family. And then all you need to do is use this software that I'm going to show you to upload it and create it in a few minutes. And literally that is it. And then send it back to the customer, right? Check this out. Okay, so I'm on this fantastic platform called Coloring Book AI. Check out the link below so you can actually try this out. You can try it out for free. But how it works is this, you can actually create photo to coloring page, which is actually what we're going to be focused on today. But, although it says photo coloring page, Remember, we are creating line art. Now, you can also do, it can be used as coloring pages per se, in a sense, because if you think about it, the actual line work itself could be used in a few different ways. It could be used as a coloring page. It could also be used as a beautiful bit of art or personalized line drawing, which we're going to use it for today. So you can see how it can create it. Fantastic. Look at that. That looks amazing, right? If I hop on over to the gallery, you can see that obviously they can create some fantastic coloring pages. But like I said, you can also do text to coloring page, where you can create some coloring pages via the use of prompts, which is amazing. And I've shown you before how we can do this using other platforms like MIDJOURNEY, but having it all in one, having it like this is actually really, really useful, right? Because obviously it supports PDF, PNG, and it actually upscales it also on this platform. Now, like I said, for the purposes of this video, I want to show you exactly really how to produce beautiful sort of line art like this. I mean, look at this. This is a perfect example of what I'm talking about. Look how fantastic this is. And you can imagine somebody who wanted to order, like they'll send you a photo of their pet, of their dog, and all you need to do is upload it. So literally, how you do it is like this. Once you've logged in, it's quite easy with your email. Then obviously you upload a photo. So imagine you got a photo from a buyer who wants this done. Click upload. Now I've uploaded it. I'm going to generate. Like I said, it does say coloring page, but I'm just going to upload. I'm going to just generate it. And what you see here on the side, it will ask you a few questions, right? I've done these. This is what I've done previously on the side here. Look at these. These are fantastic, right? Look at these. But for the purposes of this video, look at this. It says, do you want to preserve the faces? Better for photos with faces. You can remove the background if you got any, and you can also upscale, right? So that you've got really high res images. So, just for this video, I'm just going to show you, you can, once you've tried it out, they'll give you some credits to try it out with. But obviously even the pricing is really reasonable, which I'll show you in a minute. But then you go to generate using 2 credits, and then it's going to generate it. Okay, so let's have a quick look at this. And look, it's giving me 2 cool versions of it. Look at these. So this version and this version. Now, obviously, you can do what you like. You can clean up and you can remove bits that you want. I mean, you can remember, I didn't actually click remove background. Obviously, if I clicked on that, then they would have removed the background from the dog. But it looks exactly like the dog, right? And like I said, I haven't upscaled it either, because obviously I just wanted to show you how it works. But look at the quality on this. Let me just download the PDF so you can see it, or download the PNG. Like I said, just to show you this, look how amazing it looks. What I would probably do is next time when I wanted to use it, I would probably remove the background so it removes it automatically, right? But look at it. It looks absolutely fantastic, just like the real thing, but in a sort of line drawing style or drawing style. Now, there's also a lot of things you could do. Like I said, I've done this previously, which is my own sort of portrait, where you can see that I'm a picture of me pointing, right? And again, for line drawings, if you wanted to do something with those faceless line drawings, you can obviously take this into something like Canva, and you can remove the face, which is really easy to do. So you can take it into, say, Canva, and you can just rub out the face quite easily. And then you'd have a different type of line drawing, because it's important to be aware there's different types of line drawing styles that you can actually sell, whether it be the faceless type or the ones that are your more traditional, being something like, let's say, this one, or the one that I showed you. But like I said, you can remove the background. You can see here are the things you can do: remove the background, upscale, and various things, all in coloring book. But yeah, I think this is an amazing tool that you should consider. You definitely need to consider selling personalized products on your Etsy store so that you can actually make some more income. But this is a really cool tool to use. Like I said, if you're interested, check it out. You can check it out, use it for free. They'll give you some credits. The link is below. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.